Hey, what's going on, good people? This is YesWeRentHouses.com. I'm standing in a one-bedroom in the historic Mount Vernon district. Really nice kitchen. Let's walk around this kitchen. Nice appliances. This is a one-bedroom unit. Right across the kitchen is the bathroom. Really cool tub, vanity, your toilet area. Now check out these floor to ceiling windows. Amazing. This could be bedroom number one and only. Could be a living room, sitting room. Really high ceilings. Gonna take you over to, this is more like a living room, study, work from home area, floor to ceiling windows, beautiful windows. Folks, apply today, YesWeRentHouses.com. This unit will not last long. Take care.